Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve the LeetCode question number 1721, swapping nodes in a linked list. In this question, we have to swap the one node to another and they give the index of that node. So we have to swap the index of given node from start with the index of node from the last. So let's solve this question. First, we have to create a pointer. This node first equals to height. Then we create another pointer which is second and assign as head. Then we create another pointer for current node and assign as head. Then we create a for loop which iterates from I is equal to 1 to I less than k. In that for loop, we assign first equals to first next. After that, we assign current equals to first. Then we create a while loop. In that, we use currents next. In that while loop, we assign current equals to currents next node and second equals to seconds next. After that, we create a variable then equals to first value, which stores the value of the first node, and then the first value is equals to seconds value, and seconds value is equals to 10. Then we return head. So in this code, we firstly declare three pointers and then create a for loop which iterates from first to first next. Then it assigns the current as first. Then we use while loop. If the current's next is present, then the current is equals to current's next, and the second is equals to second's next. Then we swap the value of the first and second, then return head. So let's run this code. So that's it. Thank you.